Hello students, in the last video we have learned about how to write the given numbers in ascending order. Today we will learn the descending order, how to write or arrange the given numbers in descending order. Children, arranging the given numbers from the greatest to the smallest number, from the greatest to the smallest number. Okay, it is exactly opposite to that of ascending order. The same numbers, group of number, you can write down in ascending order, and you can write down it in the descending order. Now let's see. To write numbers in descending order, compare them and then write those numbers from the greatest to the smallest. So we first need to compare the numbers. So just we have learned in case of ascending order. Here we are having one example: 6251, 7628, 87529, and the next is 43,251. Now here we can see that first two numbers are 4-digit numbers. We will compare first the digits. Okay, the next two numbers are 5-digit numbers. So we'll see first here which number is at thousands place. Here it is 6, and in the next number it is 7. So the smaller 6 is smaller than 7. Okay, now next is 87,529 and 43,251. These are the 5-digit numbers, so we will compare their 10,000 places. So at the 10,000 places, number is 8, and here the given digit is 4. Okay, so who is the smaller? 4 is smaller than 8. Okay, so for writing descending order, we'll write down first the number which is the greatest. So among 4-digit and 5-digit numbers, definitely the 5-digit numbers are greater than that of the 4-digit numbers. Okay, so here now among these two 5-digit numbers, we have 8, which is the greatest number. Okay, so we will write down that number first. Okay, so 87,529 is greater, okay, than the one which is having 4 at 10,000 place, that is 43,251 is greater than. Now here who's greater, 6 or 7? 7 is greater, so the number with 7 at thousands place will come here. So that is 7,628 is greater than the number which is having 6 at thousands place, and that is 6,000 251. So this is our descending order. You can write down D dot O, descending order. Okay, it is exactly opposite to that of ascending order. In ascending order, we are having the smallest number at the beginning and the greatest number at the end. Here in descending orders, we are having greatest number at the beginning and the smallest number at the end. Understand? Now let's check one more example. Here the numbers given are 31,623, 4,255, 48,225, 9,013. Now children, observe the given numbers carefully. We will come to know that first and the third number is 5-digit number. So the number among these two must be the greatest. Okay, and second and fourth numbers are the 4-digit numbers. Okay, that means the number among these two will be smallest. Okay, now let's compare 10,000s please in case of 5-digit numbers. So here we are having 3 from 31,623 and 4 from the 48,225. So is the greatest among these two. 4 is greatest, right? Next, in case of 4-digit number, we'll compare first the 1,000 places. Okay, now here it is 4 and here it is 9. So who is the greatest among them? 9 is greatest. Okay, so while writing descending orders, we will write down first the greatest number from the 5-digit number, then the smallest number of 5-digit number, then we will move further to 4-digit number. Here we will write down the greatest number of 4-digit number and at the end the smallest number from the 4-digit number. So let's start with the 5-digit numbers. So descending order, in case of 5-digit numbers, the one which is having 4 at the 10,000s place is the greatest. So we will write down that is 48,000. See here, 48,225 is greater than 31,623 is greater than, here among this two, the 9 at the 1,000 place is the greatest number. So 9,013 is greater than 4,255. This is the descending order. Here is the third example. Children, look carefully the given numbers. 6,281, next 2,955, 3,789 and 5,151. Now in this case, all the given numbers are the 4-digit numbers. So we have to check the thousands places. Okay. In the first given number, 6 is at the thousands place. Okay. Then we have 2 at the thousands place of the next number. Then we have 3 at the thousands place, and here we are having 5 at the thousands place. Now compare all these 4 numbers, okay, from greatest to smallest. Okay, from greatest to smallest. So this one is the greatest, that is the one which is having 6 at the thousands place, then 5, then it is 3, and at the end it is 2. 6 is greater than 5, 5 is greater than 3, 3 is greater than 2. So we'll write down the numbers which are having these particular digits at the thousands place in this order. Okay, so it will give us the descending order. 6, that is 6,281. 5, that is 5,151. This 3, that is 3,789, and at the end 2, that is 2,955. Okay, so this is the descending order. Next example is 43,210, 31,952. Next to that, 87,171, and the next 60,804. Now children, in this given group of numbers, if you will see carefully, these all numbers are 5-digit numbers. That means we are supposed to check the digits which are present at the 10,000s place. So in case of first given number, that is 43,210, at the 10,000s place we are having digit 4. The next number 31,952, we are having 3 at 10,000s place. Next to that we are having 87,171. Here at the 10,000s place we are having 8. Whereas the last number 60,804, at the 10,000s place we are having 6. Now arrange them from greatest to smallest. So we'll be having among these 4 digits, 8 is the greatest. Okay, it is greater than 6. 6 is greater than 4, and the 4 is greater than 3. So, for writing descending order, we will write down the numbers which are having 8 at the 10,000th place first. Then we will write down the number which is having 6 at 10,000th place. Then we will write down the number which is having 4 at the 10,000th place, and then at the end we will write down the number which is having 3 at the 10,000th place. Now you can arrange them by yourself. Okay, thank you.